Hi, hello. This is academic reading test, and we have answered questions 1 to 3. So now time to answer questions between 4 to 8. So you know the question type. So we have to match things with to fill the gaps. Glass and Singer show that situations in which there is intense noise have less effect on performance than circumstances in which intense wait short bursts of not different types of and not intense, maybe unexpected. I think unexpected is true. Not different types of noise, maybe intense, but maybe intense seems better. Subjects were divided into groups to perform a task. Some heard loud burst of noise. It's different types of the predictable noise group. Okay, I think I have to read more. Let's read these two paragraphs. So I think it's unexpected, according to this. Performed better than, I guess. Let's read more. at random intervals, finding the predictable performed and predictable noise produced more errors in the later proofreading task than predictable noise. And soft unpredictable noise actually produced slightly more errors on this task than the load predictable noise. Apparently, unpredictable noise produces more fatigue than predictable noise, but it takes a while for this fatigue to take its toll on performance. Yeah, but the performance better, I guess. In the second part of the experiment, the 4 groups were given a proofreading task to complete under condition of no noise. They were required to check written material for errors. The group which had been exposed to unpredictable noise, I think is performed at about same level. Made more mistakes than the group which had been exposed to predictable noise. The group which had been exposed to loud predictable noise performed better than those who had heard soft unpredictable bursts. The results suggest that noise produced fatigue, but that it manifests itself later. Unexpected. So is this B more than once? Unexpected. Okay, let's okay, 5D. Exposed to the same amount of... Oh, okay, I misunderstand. Yes, all groups were exposed to the same amount of noise. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Have a beautiful day. Bye.